Did you know there's a giant, mysterious dent in Earth's magnetic field for years? NASA has been watching a strange phenomenon brewing over the South Atlantic Ocean. Stretching between South America and Africa, they call it the South Atlantic Anomaly, or SAW, and it's got scientists both fascinated and a little concerned. Think of Earth's magnetic field as a protective shield, deflecting harmful charged particles from the sun. But in this one massive area, that shield is significantly weaker. NASA has even called it a pothole in space. While it doesn't really affect us down here on the surface, it's a major headache for anything orbiting above us. Satellites and even the International Space Station have to pass right through this anomaly. When they do, the reduced magnetic protection leaves their delicate electronics exposed to high energy solar particles. This can cause all sorts of problems, from minor glitches and data loss to complete system failures and permanent damage. In fact, the risk is so real that satellite operators often have to power down crucial systems just to safely navigate this cosmic pothole. So, what's causing this magnetic weak spot? The primary source of our magnetic field is a swirling ocean of molten iron deep inside Earth's outer core. This movement generates the field, but it's not perfectly uniform. Scientists believe a massive, dense blob of rock, located nearly 3,000 kilometers beneath the African continent, is disrupting this process. This underground giant, combined with the natural tilt of our planet's magnetic axis, creates this dramatic weakening effect we see as the SAW. It's almost like a localized patch of reverse polarity is growing, canceling out the main field and making it exceptionally weak. But the story gets even weirder. This anomaly isn't just sitting still. NASA's tracking has shown that it's slowly drifting, and not only that, it appears to be splitting in two. In 2020, researchers noticed the SAW was dividing into two separate cells, each with its own center of minimum magnetic intensity. What this means for the future is still a big unknown. Recent data from the European Space Agency Swarm mission adds another layer of complexity. The anomaly seems to be evolving differently on its African side compared to its South American side, suggesting something unique is happening in that specific region, causing the field to weaken even more intensely there. Now, you might be wondering if this is a sign that Earth's entire magnetic field is about to flip, an event that does happen every few 100,000 years. Well, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Researchers have found evidence that the SAW isn't a new thing. It might be a recurring feature that has been popping up for as long as 11 million years. This suggests it's not a precursor to a full-on global pole reversal, but rather a persistent, regional quirk of our planet's inner workings. It even has an effect on the auroras we see, creating unique light shows. There are still so many questions left to answer. But with powerful tools and dedicated teams, organizations like NASA are keeping a close watch. As one geophysicist put it, because the SAW is constantly changing, continued observation is key. It's the only way we can build accurate models, make predictions, and truly understand this vast magnetic oddity that's unfolding right above our heads. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoy this journey into one of Earth's biggest mysteries, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.